Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will begin exercise 6.1 of class 6th. The chapter number 6 is completely based on the topic integers. Its question number first is write opposite of the following. It means if anything is going in the positive, so we have to write its negative. If anything is going into the negative, we have to write its positive. So A, increase in weight. So weight is increasing. So opposite of this line is weight is decreasing. So here decrease in weight. Okay. Now 30 kilometer north. North opposite is south. So here 30 kilometer south. Now C is 326 BC. BC means before Christ. So before Christ opposite is AD, Anno Domini. Now D, loss of rupees 700. So opposite of loss is profit. So here what will come? Profit of rupees 700. Now 100 meter above sea level. So here sea level but above, opposite of above here below. Okay. In the above we are going to upside, in the below we are going downside. So this is, here we completed question number first. Question number 2 is represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. It means we have to represent the following statement with the help of numbers as integers with their sign. It means we have to put negative and positive both signs because they are telling appropriate signs. First is an aeroplane is flying at the height 2000 meter above the ground. It means one aeroplane is flying above the ground. If this is the ground, so here our aeroplane is flying, okay, at the height of 2000 meter, okay, from the ground, but from the ground it is above. So for the above thing we are using plus symbol, okay. So here what will come? Here will come positive 2000, okay. We have to show only numbers, that's why we are using here numbers. I did not putting their unit meter, okay. Now second, B, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. So what does the meaning of submarine? Submarine is a special kind of marine that is moving inside the water. So if we are here, this line is showing the sea level. It means here is sky, okay, here is sky and this is the sea level. So inside the sea at the depth of, it means how much at the downside? 800 meter. So here 800 meter, here is the submarine. This is the symbol of submarine. So we have to show this 800 at the sign of positive or negative. Here we have depth and below. So below means negative. Below or depth, both are having the same meaning, means here 800 will come but negative because submarine is moving inside the water. If we have a bird here above the sea level at 800, on that time bird are flying above the sea level, on that time here positive will come because here we are using above and here we are using below thing, okay. Now third is a deposit of rupees 200. Deposit means adding some amount somewhere, like in bank account, like in your purse, whatever the place is there. So a deposit is showing by the plus symbol. How much rupees is there? 200. So here 200 will come. Now next, withdrawal of rupees 700. Withdrawal means taking out. It means here minus symbol will come. How much? 700. So here we completed question number 2. Now question number 3, represent the following numbers on a number line. It means whatever the number is giving, positive, negative, 0, whatever the number is giving, that number we have to show on number line. Here first is positive 5. Positive 5. Always remember one thing, we have to show 0 and we have to show some positive number, some negative number, because we are showing integers. So at the middle of the number line I am putting here 0. On the right hand side we have all the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Same as on the left hand side of 0 we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and these ending points having the arrow, it means here they are not stopping, they are continuously moving on the both side. Have you seen positive 5? Yes, here is positive 5. So this point, this arrow is showing positive 5. Now B, negative 10. Here we have more number in the negative side, more number in the negative side. That's why I am putting 0 at the corner. At the corner, here I am putting 0 because we want left hand side number more and we don't want many number at the right hand side because question is asking negative number. That's why I put 0 at the corner. At the right hand side we have positive number as 1 and 2. Okay, don't get confused because we have the use of negative number, that's why we are putting here negative number more. Now let's see. Before 0 which number is there? Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9, negative 10, negative 11. As you can see, if I put 0 in the middle of the number line, on that time our negative 10 did not easily come on this line because our page is small. So that's why which thing is needed more on that time, that thing needs more space. Have you seen negative 10? Here is negative 10. So this arrow is showing negative 10. Now C part is positive 8. Positive 8. So this time we have to need positive sides more. So this time our 0 is shift on this side because we want right hand side more. All the positive numbers will come on right side of 0. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here on the left hand side first number before 0 is negative 1, before negative 1 negative 2. Have you seen positive 8? Here is positive 8. The arrow is showing positive 8. D is negative 1. It means negative 1 is just near 1 of 0. So we can put 0 in the middle of the number line. You can see the difference between every section. It means here, 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 they all are having the same gap. Okay, so when you are drawing the number line, on that time you should also keep the gap between each section same. Okay, negative 1 on the right hand side of 0 we have positive 1, positive 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just opposite, before 0 we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5 and negative 6. Have you seen negative 1? Yes. Just before than 0 we have negative 1. The arrow is showing negative 1. Now negative 6. Okay. Here also as you can see the gap between every section is equal. We want more number in the negative section because the negative number is asking. That's why I am just little bit on, I am shifting little bit of 0 on the right hand side. If I am putting 0 here, Okay, now right hand side we have all the positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that will continuously going on. On the left hand side of the 0, before then 0 we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Have you seen -6? Yes, you can easily see the arrow is showing the -6. Question number 4. Question number 4 is adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and locate the following points. Okay, so the whatever the figure is near one of the question number 4, that is representing the terms related to question number 4, that is the vertical number line. Okay, here this is the horizontal vertical line and this line will consider as vertical number line. Okay, so we have to locate. Okay, we have to give the answer of the following thing. Okay, A, if point D is +8, then which point is -8? Okay, it means when you see the vertical line on that time, you can easily see here we have alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and this is the 0 and this side we have +8. The alphabet D is representing +8. So question is asking which alphabet is representing -8. So let's put all the integers of every alphabet. Here we have 0. Okay, here we have 0. So here we have all the terms of related above. Okay, and here we have all the terms related to below. So we know above term is representing by plus symbol and below term is representing by negative symbol. Okay, so above than 0, firstly we have +1, above +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, and this is +7. Okay, same as the below than 0 is first number is -1, then -2, then -3, then -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. So here we put all the integers that are showing alphabet. Here above than D we don't have any alphabet, that's why here we stopped. Here below than E we don't have any alphabet, that's why on the -10 we stopped. So E question is, if point D is +8, is it true? Yes, +8 is showing by D. Then which point is -8? Have you seen -8? Here is -8. Here is -8 and -8 is showing by F. So first answer is F. Okay, point F. Now is point G is negative integer or a positive integer? It means whatever the point G is there, G is showing negative integer or positive integer. So where is G? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Here is G. So G is showing positive or negative integer? G is showing negative integer. It means its answer is negative integer. C is right integer for point B and E. So point B, it means what? Point E means what? So B equal to E equal to. Have you seen B? Yes, here is B and B is representing just in front of B, which integer is there? +4. So here +4 will come. Have you seen E? Yes, you can see E is here and E in the front of E you can find here -10. So here -10 will come. D, which point marked on this number line has the least value? It means lowest value who is having. Lowest value who is having. So we know all the positive numbers are greater to everyone. It means positive 8 is the highest value. All the positive number and 0 are greater than all the negative number. All the positive number and 0 are greater than all the negative number. And in the negative number, who look like greater, actually it is lowest. So who look like greater? Negative 10 is looking like greater, but unfortunately negative 10 is the lowest value in the given question, given vertical line. It means negative 10, and negative 10 is marked by E. So it's mean E has the least value. Okay, if question is coming highest value, on that time we have to put D here, because positive 8 is having the highest value on the vertical number line. Now here E, arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of the value. Decreasing means from highest to lowest. From highest to lowest. So just we can moving on D, C, B, A, H, G, F, E. Why? Because D is the highest value and negative 10 is the lowest value. So same pattern will continuously going on. We have to go high to low. So this means we have to start from D and stop on E. So D, below than D, who is the there? C, then B, then A, then H, then G, then F, then last is E. So here we completed question number 4. Question number 5 is, following is the list of temperature of the 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. So we have the temperature list of 5 places of any day in a year. So its first question is, write the temperature of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. So we have to show temperature into the form of integers. So places temperature chart is given. Here we have blank spaces. We have to write their integer form. First place is Siachen. First place is Siachen. Siachen having the temperature of 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. So firstly I am making here 0. Okay, have you seen 0? 0 degree Celsius. When question is giving us above, on that time we have to go up. Okay, and when question is giving us below, on that time we have to go low. Okay, above sign is positive and below sign is negative. The temperature is, how much the temperature is going on above, that much temperature is hot. Okay, that much temperature is hot, and how much the temperature is go in the below, that much temperature is going to cool. Okay, you can easily see. Okay, here Siachen having this temperature of 10 degrees Celsius below. Below symbol is negative. So firstly we have to put here negative symbol. And how much they given us? 10 degrees Celsius. So 10 degrees Celsius will come. Okay, now Shimla. Shimla is having 2 degrees Celsius below. Below symbol is negative. So here negative will come. So negative 2 degree Celsius. Now Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above. Above is having the plus symbol. So here plus will come. And how much is positive? 30 degree Celsius. Now Delhi. Delhi is having the temperature of 20 degrees Celsius above. Above is having the symbol of plus. So positive 20 degree Celsius. And the last is Srinagar. Last is Srinagar. Srinagar is having the temperature of 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Below means minus. Okay, and minus 5 degree Celsius. Okay, now as you can see, the positive highest value is having Ahmedabad, positive 30 degrees Celsius. It means Ahmedabad is the hottest city, hottest place in the list. And which is the coolest place in the list? Negative 10 degrees Celsius, negative 1 degree Celsius, negative 5 degrees Celsius. Which is the lowest, which is having the coolest atmosphere? In the negative, you know, the who look like crater, actually it is the lowest. So Siachen having the coolest atmosphere in the list. Now B is following the number line representing the temperature in degree Celsius. Okay, plot the name of the city against its temperature. It means we have to show all the given places on this number line according to their temperatures. So firstly we have to start with first city, that is Siachen. Siachen having the temperature of negative 10 degree Celsius. So as you can easily see, you can easily find negative 10 here. So negative 10 is showing the temperature of Siachen. That's why here I am writing Siachen. Okay. Now Shimla. Shimla is having the temperature of negative 2 degree Celsius. Have you find negative 2? You can't find because the main point is showing the difference of 5 only. So we have to go negative side. So 0, then before 0 we have negative 5, then before it negative 10. But in between the gap of negative 5 and 0 we have 4 line. Okay, so this is negative 1, this is negative 2, this is negative 3, this is negative 4, and this one will become negative 5. It means the small black line is showing the 1 degree Celsius. We are going in the negative, that's why the left hand side of the 0 is showing negative, negative 1, negative 2. It means here is Shimla. This is Shimla. Now third is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is having the temperature of positive 30 degrees Celsius. Have you seen positive 30? Yes, here is positive 30. This is showing Ahmedabad. Okay. Now next is Delhi. Delhi is having the temperature of positive 20 degrees Celsius. So 20 is here, positive, that's why. So this is Delhi. And the last is Srinagar. Srinagar is having the temperature of negative 5 degrees Celsius. Negative 5 is directly looking. Yes, negative 5 is directly looking. Here is negative 5. Okay, Srinagar. So here we completed all the cities to plot. Now C is the question of 5th. Which is the coolest place? Coolest place means the place having the least temperature. Who is having the least temperature? On the number line. On the number line, lastly seated Siachen on the least place, that is negative 10. In the negative, all the negative numbers are smaller than 0 and positive. So this 0 and this positive all are greater. So we have to compare only these three: Shimla, Srinagar and Siachen. Shimla is having the temperature of negative 2. Srinagar is having the temperature of negative 5. And Siachen is having the temperature of negative 10. So in the negative, who is looking like bigger? Actually it is smaller. So its answer is Siachen. And the last D question. Write the names of the place where temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius. It means more than 10 degrees Celsius. So this is positive. So we have to see more than in the positive side. So more than means right hand side we have to go here. 10, 15, 20. On 20 we have Delhi. So Delhi will come here. And Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad. So here we completed question number 5th of 6.1. We will meet in next video.